And also this is second video. In this video I will introduce other differences. Okay, we just I just introduced the differences about different majority, different compositions. Okay, a different majority PCB, different, and then I will introduce the other differences to you. Okay, this system has no RFID loop. Okay. This cardot system has this RFID separated antenna. This is integrated antenna, so it is only remote distance shortly. It is non-distance remote control, and it has shock sensor. It has not shock sensor. It has alarm LED. It has not alarm LED. It has ultrasonic sensor snout, but it has not ultrasonic sensor snout. It has it has 3D PK antenna, 3D, and this is not 3D, not 3D. It has protection cover. This starter cable has no laser protection cover. Okay, and so this is the third video. I just introduced the some differences between two products. In this video, I will introduce the more differences about the two products. Okay. Now let us make a comparison about smart key remote. This is cardot majority system. It can learn more smart key remotes. Today I just show you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 types remotes. But for this product, this product only learn one remote. Okay, this is a Toyota HD Y. Okay, this is Audi. This is Toyota. Okay, now let us make. This is from cardot. This is from this product. Let us make a compromise. This remote PCB looks like a little dirty. Okay, this is inductor. This is this is also RFID coin. This is for PKE induction. This coin, this RFID coin, may be ink or leader the repeated lock unlock. But this from Japanese brand TKD brand. Okay, it will make good PK working. And this is RFID. This is RFID coin, just working this loop. Okay, induction without power. Okay, now only one chip and back 1, 2, 3 CPU. 3 CPU. It will make the remote control no distance and good PK working. Okay, no. Okay, yes, this is good. Okay. Yeah, yes. Okay.